Number 21 of EOC Practice Test, Math 3. The graph shows the exponential growth of the number of organisms in a Petri dish over a 12-hour period. The table gives you the time and it gives you the number of organisms. And then you can look at the graph and you can see those plotted. So you can see that that is exponential growth. It is growing exponentially, plus it tells you it's exponential growth. To the nearest whole organism, so we're going to round to a whole organism, how many organisms are expected to be in the Petri dish at 15 hours? So as you can see, these numbers are going up so that we know whatever 15 is should be larger than 151. All right, so let's use our calculator to determine what this is because it will write a function for us and make it very easy. All right, so if you have your calculator, you can click on Stat and Edit. We're going to edit because we're going to put our points in from the table. So you're going to put all the hour numbers in first. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All right, once I get those in, I'm going to arrow over to my L2 and I'm going to enter those numbers as well. All right, once I get those in there, I'm going to check real quick to make sure I got those in. Looks like my 0 and 25 have scrolled up because I have so many numbers, but I've got 36, 52, 68, 88, 104, 151. It's important to make sure those are correct because if they're not, you can't have the right equation if you don't have the right points. So next we're going to go to Stat, and we're going to go to Calculate. We want to calculate an equation. We know it's exponential because it says exponential. So I'm going to come down here to where I find exponential regression. So exponential regression, I'm going to hit Enter. It's pulling from list 1 and 2. I'm going to scroll through that because that's what I want. And calculate an equation. All right, so you can see the equation there is y equals 27 times 1.15, and it has R of 0.99. So that's just your regression feature that tells you that that's very close. Your equation is very close alignment to this set of points. All right, so we're going to take this equation. Make sure you write down your A and your B because you're going to need those. And then you're going to just plug that in. So we're going to have 27 times 1.15. And then we're going to raise that to 15 because it says after 15 hours. So T, time, is the number of hours, and we plug in 15 so that we can get the number of organisms. So we're going to plug in 15 here and hit Enter. And that's going to be about 219.7. So it says round to the whole organism. So let's call that 220. So we're going to put in our blank 220.